Originally, CAD was only used for two-dimensional drawings such as schematics or plans. But now AutoCAD also has three-dimensional capabilities. This means you can design a 3D solid object, attach a material to it, and look at it from any angle. You can even add different lights to the scene if you'd like. I recommend starting out in the 3D Basics user interface for at least the first few drawings. To begin, change your view in the view cube to whatever side of the object you want to start drawing. For most of the objects, you're going to use the front view. Once you've changed the view, you'll need to set your Universal Coordinate System, or UCS, to the current view. Type UCS and then press Enter. This will bring up the UCS menu, which gives you options for where you want to be drawing. For now, you want to choose View, so type V and press Enter. You'll notice your view cube now says Top, not Front. That's okay. Up to the left, you'll see that you're indeed still in the front view. The next step is to draw the front profile of the object. Select Polyline from the Draw tool set, or type PL. Remember, the polyline differs from a line in that all of its segments are one entity. Make sure your ortho function is on, and begin to draw the front view of drawing 1. Remember to make sure that it's completely enclosed. An open object will not extrude. When you get to the last segment of the polyline, type in C to ensure that the polyline ends where it began. If you make a mistake while drawing the polyline, you can either erase it and start over, or you can join 2 or more polylines together. To join 2 or more polylines together, type in PE for Polyline Edit. Choose one of the polylines and then press Enter. Then, type in J for Join and press Enter again. Select any of the polylines that you want to join to the original, and then press Enter. At this point, I recommend setting your UCS back to its original state by typing in UCS, Enter, and then W for World, and Enter. Looking at your drawing from the top, it just looks like a straight line. But if you click on one of the isometric views in the view cube, you can see that it is the front profile that you just drew earlier. Alright, it's time to make it 3D. You can do this by either clicking on the Extrude button, or by typing EXT into the command line. Extruding is kind of like pushing Play-Doh through one of those shaped holes that gives you the different shaped noodles coming out the other side. The command line will show the words, Select Objects. Choose the object that you want to make three-dimensional, which would be the front view of the L block. Select it with your mouse and press Enter. It will then ask you to specify the height of the extrusion. This means type or drag how far you want the shape to extrude. You can see that on your example sheet, drawing 1 is 2 inches deep. So type 2 and press Enter. Now the object is a 3D solid. The Layer menu on the Home tab contains the Visual Style options. You can choose whichever style helps you the most or makes the model look best. Try a few different styles to see what they're all about. You can rotate the object to see it from a different angle. You can either use the view cube or orbit in the navigation bar to see it from different perspectives. Don't forget to save your drawing in a place that you'll be able to find it again. I suggest making a folder to store all of your 3D exercises.